The Adani Smart Meter Installation VR Experience. In this module, you will learn how to use a VR controller, use your right thumbstick to rotate, use your left thumbstick to move, and use the right button trigger to make a selection. Now select the language you want the instructions. In this room you are going to learn about advanced metering infrastructure with the help of PPT. Advanced metering infrastructure is also known as AMI. Building blocks of AMI. Have an overview of the advanced metering. There are mainly two types. Have an overview of the features of. Let's have an overview of the head-end system. It is responsible for acquiring meter data. In this room, we are going to learn about various PPEs. Leather safety shoes, HDPE safety helmet. Welcome to the Adani electric meter installation tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove an existing old meter and install a new one-phase smart meter. Before we start, verify and ensure that the old meters can be replaced with new smart meter within that specific board to avoid any constraint during replacement of last connected meter on that board. Verify if the meter serial number shown in mobile application and in physical are same. First, we need to switch off the meter outgoing supply using outgoing MC the meter terminal. Now to remove the old, now unscrew the outgoing. Excellent. Now unscrew the neutral highlighted wire. Now unscrew the second neutral wire. Apply it on the last wire to make. Return the insulation tape back on the tape. Before we change the meter, we first need to change our gloves to material handling gloves. Touch the gloves on your. Before we change the meter, we first need to change our gloves. Touch the gloves to change. Now open the another screw. Now let's remove the old meter. Place the old meter box on the table. Grab the new meter from the table. Snap the new meter on the board. Before change out gloves, we first need to screw it meter on the board. Now tight the second screw. Excellent. Now let's change the gloves back to electric gloves before we start working on. First, we need to switch on the meter. Excellent. Now, check the meter is functioning okay.